You know what they say, for jobs worth doing, it's worth doing twice. Hello everyone, welcome to this episode. In this episode I just really want to show you just a few things that I've been working on and some footage from our latest Isle of Wight Car Club event, which was held at K Knighton Sandpit. Now this is exactly where I used to compete with the Mark II when it was on the road as in competing, and it's exactly what I'm going to do with it when it's finished. Yes, I'm going to go stage rallying in it on tarmac and forest stages, etc. But I'm also going to be doing this. So I hope you can realise why I'm beefing up the shell as much as I am, and I'm not really that worried about the quality of the panel gaps and things like that. No excuses, but we do crash them a lot. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video, and so until next time, ta-ta for now. Well, you know how I took this bracket off to repair here? I was looking at this side and went, yeah, do I leave it? It looks okay. And then I went, you know what? Sod it, I'll do it. So I drilled out the spot welds and big flakes of this stuff came out from underneath. So I can't see yet, but it doesn't sound good. The annoying thing is I've already plugged weld it to the new inner panel. Oh well. That actually might be salvageable. Or is that just me being tight? Should we have a look? Actually, that's not too bad. It was worth checking. I'll give it a clean up. And give it a coat of that rust inhibitor type stuff. Some Cure Rust as Adam Campion calls it. Evening chaps, how's everyone doing? Alright? Hello cat. Yeah, it's not my cat. The cat that you see in all my videos, it's not my cat, it's my neighbour's cat. What am I doing? I've fabricated some new, what do you call these? Bulkhead brace brackets or whatever. So that's the ones that I hacked out, that's the cardboard template, new ones. I'm just deciding what size holes to put in them grommet wise. I'm kind of tempted to go for something a bit funky, you know, that sort of overly type size. I found them on eBay. Just playing, watching Beers for Build on there. Yeah, come on guys. You must be spannering or doing something in the evenings. What are you up to? Here we go. I've just fabricated this out of 2mm steel, and this is going to go in the front of the front subframe to effectively box it in. Should add a bit of strength, shouldn't it? Well, here we go. These are my little brackets that I've made to beef up the subframe. Not 100% sure if I'm going to use this subframe or the other one, but I've made these out of 3mm sheet steel. So this one is the top one. I'll do this without dropping my phone. It's not square, look, it's got a bit of a bend on it, and the reason is that obviously there's a bit of a bend here. And I was literally going to seam weld, butt weld that one onto there. The only thing I'm worried about, and that's why I put this on here, is because I'm now going to go for a proper inner arch. I'm a bit worried once the radiator's in, because I'm still running a side radiator, I won't be able to get in there to access that if I need to with this. So I'm not 100%, I mean, I don't know, I might just stick with it. Anyway, so that's that one. This one is for the top, yeah, like that. I should put that on. So it's going to kind of look like that. I think that looks quite funky, doesn't it? Like that. And that's basically stopped this from cracking and pulling these out, which often happens. The other bits that I'm going to reinforce with these, because on my other one they've cracked. Oh, sorry, cracked here. Believe it or not. Just in my local high street here, look. Oh, look, Hammerite sale. Look. Oh, Cool Rust. Here we are at K Knighton for round 10. We're just setting up. It stopped raining. Yeah, the ground's a bit damp. But just check out where we're gonna be. Look, it's like Ken Block's playground. I've also had a couple of laps in this, and that was lovely, loads of grip. So here we are at K-Knighton for round 10. It's as slippery as you can get, but the drivers and spectators are thoroughly enjoying this venue. It's brilliant. There you go, look, you can just see some on top of the hill. Great spectator spot. There's some more down here, looking at the start and the finish. Come on down. There's a burger van and everything. Oh! I've got to try less hard. No, I borrowed someone's car, look, and crashed it. That's never a good thing, is it? When I was driving the Clio, 23. So when I was driving the Clio, I came out of here, through there, and went smack straight into that lot. Oh, here's the Clio now. Here we go, so it's round 5. All the cars have survived so far. We've had a few offs, but that's just the nature of the game, isn't it? Winning is Steve Brett in his classic Mini. The next is Josh Finch in his special. Third place is Joe Moore in his four-wheel drive Subaru Preza. It's all to play for. One more run.
They'll all come. They can.
Please, you say this, Barry. Where's Barry? Come on, you better stand up in a picture taken. You're not used to it. Class 3, Steve Brett.
Perfect, thank you very much.
Well
thank
done,
you,
man.
thank you.
Don't all run off. You can help pick the cones up. Be really nice.
Well done, Dad. It's good, isn't it?